This video we're going to talk about combination blocks. There are two types of combination blocks we're going to discuss today. The zone block and the double team block. We will now be discussing the zone block and how we are going to play the zone block from a defensive standpoint. Now, I'm the defensive man. These two gentlemen represent the offense. Now, what we're going to do with a zone blocking scheme is that the offense wants to make sure that they are deep, and they're going to carry the defense and move the defense to the outside. As the ball carrier gets the ball at about 4 or 5 yards deep, he now is going to be running, and he's going to be looking for that hole that is created in the defense. So from a defensive standpoint, what we must do is we must attack the offensive lineman. So as the offensive linemen move, we will attack. So here we go, sit, hut. All right, so as we attack now, we move down the line of scrimmage, and of course we've got our hands in good position, we've got our eyes on the running back, and what we have done now is take away the running back's angle to get in the line of scrimmage. In other words, we have moved the offensive line at least 2 yards upfield, so that restricts the running back's opportunity to cut back. And now we'll look at the double team. As the lineman lines on this man, these two offensive blockers, the double team is going to look like this. I have to attack this via the neck. As I do, now he is going to be the post blocker. He's going to post me up. This man now is going to come down and double team me. He's going to try to knock me off the line of scrimmage. Now what I must do is I must drop my shoulder, and as I drop my shoulder, I take away the blocking surface for this drive blocker. So as I do this, I try to grab a hold of this post blocker, pull down, and then I'm going to go through this double team. Now, most important points. I've got to make sure that I stop the post blocker. I've got to make sure that my vision includes the drive blocker, because if it doesn't and he gets surface, then I'm up in the air. So what I have to do, and it's got to be quick, as I come off, bang, bang, I drop that shoulder right now. So that is how we play the double team, and it's very important because if we hold this point of attack, then two blockers now have been committed to me. So that means that somebody's going to be short. They've got two blockers on me, and we've still got 11, and they've got 10 now. So this is a big help if we can control this at the point of attack. Now we'll bring in Giovanni, and we'll see this at full speed. This concludes our work on combination blocks. Next up, we'll be working on pass rush, and we'll start with a speed rush.